Welcome everybody to this video. Today I will show you how to use your Botim app easy and quick. So let's start. So you have to install first your Botim from Play Store or App Store, then open it and it will open here on this page. Click Start Calling. So if you already have an account, you have to write your number and click Next. Also, if you wanna create an account. So right now I already have account, it opened directly. So right now, you are here in your chat list. And this is a conversation between me and my friend. How to make a conversation? Click on this plus icon, click new chat, and choose the person that you wanna chat with, click and chat. So after that, I will click on plus icon. Here you can manage chat, like deleting this chat. Also, you can scan QR code. So we'll move here to this icon or this option, call option. Here you will find all your call history. Now on explore, you can explore of everything that if you want to, for example, buy Botim VIP or steps or visit Visa. I will go back to conversation. I will click. I can here call and also call, like voice call, video call, and from here I can send pictures, files, locations, also contacts and accounts. And here I can send a voice message. Right now I'm back. Click on contacts and here you will find all your contacts that you have right now on your Botim. If you want to add a new one or create a chat, click here. Or if you have a group chat, click here and you will find it. Also your file assistant, your official account, and from here you can add a new contact or scan a QR code. Right now here we'll find some stuff like your account, if you want to change your name or your state, also your photo profile. Here if you click on account, you can change your email, delivery address, manage your account and log out. And here on notifications, you can manage all your notifications inside the app. If you click on chats and calls, also you can manage many things like controlling the mood or the theme. And also one important thing, if you wanna delete account, click account and click on manage my account and click delete account from here. Also, if you wanna log out from your account, just click here. So right now here you can manage usage, notifications, everything. And that's it, guys. As you see, the application, it's useful. So don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and like the video if you find it helpful. And thank you for watching and see you in next or another tutorial.